Lesson 5. The repeated multiplication. If we multiply any integer by itself many times, this is called repeated multiplication. For example, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 is repeated 4 times. We write it in the shown form, and we read it as 3 to the power 4. The repeated number 3 is called the base. The number 3 is repeated 4 times under the multiplication operation. 4 is defined as the power. 3 to the power 4 is called 3 raised to the power of 4. Note: 3 to the power 4 equals 81. 81 is defined as the fourth power of 3. Example: put in the form of a to the power m. Number 1, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Number 2, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Number 3, 5 times 5 times 5. Number 4, negative 7 times negative 7. Remember, 3 to the power 3 equals 27. 27 is called the third power of 3. 4 to the power 3 equals 64. 64 is called the third power of 4. Solution: number 1 equals 2 to the power 5, where a equals 2 and m equals 5. Number 2 equals negative 3 to the power 3, where a equals negative 3 and m equals 3. Number 3 equals 5 to the power 4, where a equals 5 and m equals 4. Number 4 equals negative 7 to the power 2, where a equals negative 7 and m equals 2. The basic rules of the repeated multiplication. Note that 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2 to the power 5. That's to say, 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2 equals 2 to the power 5. Then, if we have equal bases, we add the power. If a belongs to z, and a not equal to 0, and m and n also belongs to z, then a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Second, the division rule for equal bases. Example: find 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4. Solution: 2 to the power 6 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 to the power 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2 to the power 2. This means that 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4 equals 2 to the power 2, which is 4. That's to say, in case of division, we subtract powers for the equal bases. If a belongs to z and a doesn't equal to 0, then a to the power m over a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n, where m and n belongs to z, and m is greater than or equal n. Important notes. Number 1. The first power for every number equals the number itself. That's to say, 2 to the power 1 equals 2, and 5 to the power 1 equals 5. Number 2. The second power is called square. That's to say, 4 to the power 2 is read as 4 to the power 2 or 4 squared. Number 3. The third power is called cube. That's to say, 4 to the power 3 is called 4 to the power 3 or 4 cubed. Number 4. Negative 3 to the power 2 equals negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9. And negative 3 to the power 4 equals the repeated multiplication of negative 3 for 4 times equals 81. This means when a negative number is raised to an even power, then the result will be a positive number.